Bonjour, bienvenue. Je m'appelle AT Khoj. AT Khoj, c'est moi. So, today we are going to learn very important concept. We are going to study two auxiliary verbs. Do you know, like auxiliary verb? That's it's auxiliary verbs are very important. Without these two verbs, your French is incomplete. Almost every third, fourth sentence you are going to find the use of this. Even I would say every second or third sentence you are going to find. When you communicate to someone, these two verbs are quite frequent. So I would say these two important verbs are supposed to be learned right now. Here we have this. Avoir and être. Avoir and être. Avoir is have. And the second one is être. So in this lesson, in this video, we are going to discuss about avoir, have. We are going to take the first one, avoir. Well, have we already studied and we commonly use in English language that I have mobile phone, I have cell phone, I have pen, I have my class, I have lecture, I have pen, I have dog, I have cat. Literally, it is very important to learn the use of avoir. That is have. So are you ready to have this? So why don't you sound it? Why don't you speak it with me? Avoir. 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 So avoir is have, which is the infinitive form of verb. Okay? And now we have to conjugate it. Conjugate means we have to modify it grammatically. So now we are going to modify it grammatically for present tense. Okay? Means I would say we are going to conjugate it in present. So here we go. The subject pronoun, like sujet pronoun, subject pronoun that we studied in one of my video, one of my lesson. So with the help of that, because see, avoir, which is the infinitive form of have, that we have to conjugate according to the subject, right? For an example, in English, as we say, like you have, we have, they have. But if you like to say somebody else, then what would be used there? Has. Like you have a pen. But if you like to say she has a pen. What we do here, like in place of have, we are using has. Right? Like he has doubt. Okay? You have doubt. Okay? I remember, I think I taught you the subjects, and subjects were pronoun, subject, subject, pronoun. Remember? Yes. Subjects were je, tu, il, elle, nous. Okay? Great. So, we have already studied that subject pronoun. Actually, avoir is infinitive form of have. Okay? Like, avoir is infinitive form, and now we have to conjugate. And I already told you, like conjugate means like we have to modify this verb grammatically. So present conjugation of avoir. Here we go. So have a look over this. Have a look here on the screen, and you are going to find the conjugations of avoir. So the first one is je and apostrophe ai, je. How you would sound it? Je. Je. Now, second one, tua. Tua. As, but it sounds a. Tua. Next one, il. Il. A. Il. Next one, elle. A. Répétez après moi. Read it after me. Okay. L-A. On a. What does it mean? One has, okay, like one has this responsibility, okay. So one has, like on a. So this is with a singular subject. So have a look, have a revision with this. Jouer, tu as, il a, elle a, on a. Good, bravo. Now the plural one. So it would sound nous avons, vous avez, nous avons, nous avons. Répétez après moi. Nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. They have for masculine and they have for feminine. Ils ont, elles ont. What's the difference between tu as and vous avez? What's the difference? Like tu as we use for the familiar one, singular one, and it's informal. And what about vous avez? Vous avez is formal one and is mark of respect. If you like to, if you respect someone, so there you use you have. Suppose you have a pen. What will be the sentence? Tu as un stylo. But if you respect someone, like suppose I have a pen and you want to say you have a pen because you respect me. Okay, so how you would say vous avez un stylo. Okay, did you get this? So here we have learned the conjugations of avoir, present conjugation, right? So here we have got the present conjugations of avoir, and I would like you to repeat it once more. Okay, so here we go. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Bravo. So here we have learned very important conjugations or conjugation of have. Why it is so important? See, well, we have learned the present conjugation of have. Well, in our further, I'm not going to teach it now, but I'm telling you why it is so important, because without the conjugation of avoir in present, you'll not be able to deal with the past tense of French. So let's practice it. So as I've told you, it's very important. So don't forget to practice it. Watch this video again and again. Okay? So don't forget to do that. And at last, I would request you to translate the meaning of these in your mind. I'm going to say it in French and you have to translate that in English, but in your mind. Or you can speak also, because I'm not going to listen it. Here we go. So, j'ai, I have, good. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has. Yeah, in English it is he has. Okay. Elle a, she has. On a, one has. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils ont, they have, for masculine. Remember, for masculine, ils ont, okay, ils ont. Elles ont, for feminine, they have, the group of feminine, they have. Good, bravo. So here we have revise it, learn it. Now why don't you make some sentences? As you know, like la, shia, in our last lecture, I gave you some example and told you like the table, the dog, the pen. The pen is le stilo, right? And if you like to say, I have a pen, I have the pen, whatever. Huh? So suppose, let's take example, like I have a pen. How you going to say? Je ai un stylo. Or you like to say, I have the pen, definite article, je ai le stylo. Okay? And if you like to say, I have a dog. And do you have a dog? Yeah, I know. You are a pet lover and you have a dog. So if you like to say, I have a dog, how you'd say? J'ai un chien. Un chien. Dog is masculine, so un chien. J'ai un chien. J'ai un chien. Okay? And if you like to say, you have a pen. It differs. See, you have two options, whether to say tu as un stylo, or if you respect someone, vous avez un stylo. Okay? Got it? Okay. We have my favorite word. Remember my favorite word? Chocolat. Masculine. We have chocolate. So, how we would say it? We have chocolate. Nous avons un chocolat. Nous avons un chocolat. Okay? So, I think it's good for today. It's good enough for today. But here, I'm literally enjoying you to teach and share this valuable knowledge. And getting this, I believe that you are going to be a good speaker of French. And see, having few videos or learning few things is not good enough to be a good speaker in French. But yes, somewhere, to be a good speaker, you have to start learning these things. You have to start learning from somewhere. Okay, so keep learning this. And as I've told you, this is very, very important. Verb, auxiliary verb, have, okay, avoir. So do practice it. Okay. Au revoir.